Hi guys, Laurie here from Hudson Valley Bookkeeping. I want to talk today about multiple QuickBooks files for multiple LLCs. I get this call all the time from people who watch me on YouTube and they want to do a coaching call and they want to put 5 LLCs in one QuickBooks file. They're trying to save money on the software, and you've got to stop that poverty mentality thinking. You've spent a lot of money buying this property, getting your entity structures correct. Don't miss the forest for the trees when it comes to software. You need a separate file for every one. You can go and get a very low-level QuickBooks Online subscription either way. The only time you need to get up into the plus range is when you have 2 or more properties. And sometimes that does happen with a 1031 exchange. Let's say you buy you have one property, you sell it, now you've got 2. You're gonna have to have a QuickBooks with classes. Do not have multiple properties in one file. I cannot explain to you how much money I've made from you all putting them in one file and then the balance sheets being completely out of whack, because you understand you're taking money from LLC A, you're sending it to B and then to C and then to D, and you don't have good balance sheets if you've got all 5 entities in one QuickBooks. It requires 10 hours of journal entering at year end. The other thing is you want to be able to click a button at any time, send it off to your banker, send it off to a prospective buyer. You don't want to be somehow trying to filter and fix your balance sheet and fix things because you were too cheap and you thought you could put it all into one to save what, $2,000-$3,000? It's not worth it. For every LLC you own, buy yourself a QuickBooks file. Then if you sell that property, you have no problem. If you want somebody to evaluate your financials for that property, they're not going to see the other 4 properties. This is why we have segregation. This is why we create a new LLC for each property you buy. So just like you're going to have to pay for that tax return to be done, you need to budget in there the cost of software. It's not the place to cut. Okay, thanks for listening.